Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing the newest palette from Anastasia. And if you guys are interested in knowing how I came up with this look and what colors I used, and if you guys want to know my opinion on the newest palette, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so for my first shade, I will be taking this purple, and it's in the name Canes. And I am using the brush M562 from Morphe. It's one of my favorite brushes. I've been telling you guys in my past few videos, it's so manageable. Like, it gets really good in there inside the crease, and at the same time, it's like blending everything without losing pigmentation. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this purple did have me a little bit disappointed because in the palette it does come off as a brighter purple, and as soon as I applied it to my lid, it wasn't as what it was in the palette. So I did have to go back and forth and just apply a little bit more and a little bit more just so I can get like an okay color onto my lid. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade Bahamas, and again, this shade had me a little bit disappointed as well because you guys can see I was trying to build up the color, and as soon as I started blending everything together, the color would lose pigmentation. So I had to just keep going back and forth and building up that shade as well. So I'm taking the purple shade again just to get like a really nice blend and just blend everything together. I've told you guys before, you do have to have a lot of patience, and it is kind of like a going back and forth game. You know, just applying the color and just seeing where you have to add a little bit more color and just blend everything together. And I was disappointed at first, but after I had everything blended out, I really liked the outcome of it. For my transitioning shade, I will be taking this pretty pink as well, and it's in the shade Monte Carlo. I just will be applying it on top of my brow bone and just blending everything together. So I am going for that halo cut crease. I haven't done a halo look in a while, so I was like, what the hell, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. And I have been doing my halo eyes like this. I like to start in the center and then just kind of spread out everything onto my lid, and then just go back afterwards. After I have, you know, kind of like my guide on my lid, just go back to the top and start cutting it. That way I can get like the sharpest look. And you guys have been asking me what I do use to cut my crease. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. It doesn't have the name because it's kind of old, but they only have 3 brushes, and it's the little round flat brush. You guys, this brush is super good. I wouldn't trade it for the world. So taking that purple, I do want to start blending everything together. And you guys, I'm so dumb. I know you guys see it, and that's why I left it on here, so that way I can show you guys and you guys can see what I'm talking about. I've told you guys so many times that you need to let your concealer dry, because if you don't, whenever you do apply some eyeshadow, this is what's gonna happen. Like, it's just gonna ruin your whole look. And I was so mad at myself because I forgot to pat it down and it was still wet. So I had to go back in and just dry it out a little bit and then just blend out everything together. And I was hoping it would work, and it did, thank God. If not, I probably would have had to like erase everything, or not erase, but you know, take off everything, the whole makeup look, and do it again. For the center, I will be taking Inheritance, and you guys, this shade is super pigmented, as you guys can see, and it's a really pretty like yellow goldish shade. It's just a beautiful color. Again, taking a little bit of that purple, and I'm just blending the purple with the gold shade. For my lower lash line, I'm taking this blue, and I don't know how to pronounce it. It has a really weird name, but it's a really pretty blue, and I'm just applying it all over my waterline. And for my lashes, I did use the Betsa Bay lashes and the style I Am Brave. Some of my favorite lashes, and I do have a discount code if you want to go ahead and use it. It is Rubylayy, and you guys can go ahead and save a little bit of money. Following that blue, I am going to smoke out my waterline, so I am taking that purple, and then after the purple, I will be taking the Bahamas, the pink shade. Taking my M562 brush from Morphe, I'm just blending everything together. For my inner corner, I'm taking my favorite highlight palette from Trend Beauty, and it's in the shade Fantasy. You guys, I've told you guys so many times already, but this is a bomb-ass highlight palette. For my cheekbones, I'm using Mystical, and this is a really pretty shade as well. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? It's super pigmented, guys. It's a really, really pretty highlight palette. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And the review on this palette is that I was a little bit disappointed at first, but now that I am done with the whole look, you guys, this is a really beautiful palette. It is a bomb AF palette. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to and enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.